Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. Welcome back to my channel. If you've been following, you know I have an exhaust on my car, which is pretty stock and very, very quiet. Sounds almost like a Dyson. And I think it's about time we change that. We're heading over to a local muffler shop to get this done. I've heard a lot of reviews about that muffler shop, so we're going to be taking it over there. And here it is. Here's the stock on the back seat, this whole huge box. And once we get there, we're going to open it up and install it on my car. And I'm pretty excited about it because right now, you see, I floor it and you hear nothing. And that is about to change. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Your support is appreciated. Even if it helps one person, just let me know. Comment below. Let me know what would you like to see on this 335i. And please like and share and subscribe. Alright, we're here. This is the place. Pretty close to where I live. Local shop, and I wanted to support them. Heard a lot of good reviews about them, so I decided to come here. They look pretty professional. Got a lot of exhaust and a lot of good cars come here. Check them out on Google. That's what they are known for. Mufflers only. They're working on a beautiful Infinity with crazy exhaust tips. They quoted me a reasonable price, I would say. Let's see how it goes. If you're wondering how the exhaust looks after 50,000 miles on a car, well, at least this is how mine looks. Made in Germany. Yeah. I'm not gonna touch the resonator for now. Let's leave that in. I didn't get the mid pipe. I don't want to get the mid pipe. I think this exhaust should be loud enough for my taste. And I'm not looking for any performance upgrade, so just need a sweet sound of that inline V6. Anytime my car is lifted, I just like to go around and inspect everything. See everything is working fine. If there's any extensive rust, how's everything looking? If there's anything loose or coming down or too rusted, is there anything that needs my attention? As of now, my brakes are shot. And I need new routers. Other than that, everything in the bottom looks pretty solid. I mean, it's 50,000 miles on this car already, so can't really complain. That's the hanger where the exhaust is hanging. One side is off. Pretty clean, easy. That's a fancy tool to take it off. See, that's why I didn't want to do it at home, because I knew I didn't have all these tools. Sweet! New one's hanging beautifully. Yeah. along pretty well. Almost done. Connected almost all the parts. Just clamping down, screwing it tight. Getting there, slowly getting there. Almost done. Just gotta put the module, tighten down these tips, adjusting them to my liking. It's not clamped in yet, but soon there will be. They're making a little bit of adjustments so that they would stick out a little bit, because otherwise the way it was coming out was they were like literally in here, like up to here. I want them to be sticking out like at least ½ inch out, because that will look way better. If they're sunken in, it's not nice. Like you see, they should be sticking out a little bit like this. And they're making some adjustments, hoping it will look like the way I want it to look. Alright, module is back in, plugged in, although it's very useless. I mean, this doesn't even have any valve, but wow, I didn't even know that. There's an engraving in here too. Oh, module is back. Tips are going back in. Still making some adjustments, going back and forth, back and forth. Very, very professional. I know it's gonna look great at the end. All right, the tips are in. Pretty much to the point where I want them to be. Sticking out just a little bit. Very, very beautiful. Diamond black. There was some adjustments over here. Added this piece over here, so this was coming up to here otherwise, and then if you put this tip on, this thing would sink in, so they added another piece to extend it out a little bit. So this is why we have like a little bit of tips sticking out. Now they're just welding it together. I think they came out pretty good. If you look at the size of the tips, I mean, the space on the top, on both sides, is pretty much beautiful. Can't wait to hear it. All right. Bring this puppy down. Let's hear it for the first time. Ooh. Oh, nice. Sweet. Now that's how inline 6 should sound from factory. Take note, BMW. You gotta put in better exhaust. Now that's how BMW should sound from factory. Ooh, this is sweet. I have the windows down, and that's how it sounds in sports. A little bit of burbles and pops, nothing too crazy, but definitely you can hear that inline 6. It's beautiful. Oh my god. Alright, so that's how you install the AWE Touring Edition exhaust. If you like the video, please like and share. subscribe. I'm gonna post another video and give you my thoughts on how it sounds, cruising, sports, comfort, in the cabin, out the cabin. There's a lot of other videos, but I'll give you my opinion. If you want to hear it, I'll be posting that soon. So far, this was the installation video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.